Check. Check it. I speak in sweeter tones. My rap season squeeze your bones till your speakers blown. I see the seeds of your goofy clones. Show respect to eat my beater phones. That shit like a 90s burner phone. Get going. Y'all be the zombie drones. Lead heads, walking dead. Weeds and GMO. Reap what you sow, I said. My words the gospel. Inhale death through my nostrils. Exhale life past my tonsils. Piss on your fossils. Blow smoke up your own ass. Bills don't get paid by shit talk. They're paid by cash. Babies need pampers and their moms and pops. No child needs less. Take a look at the block. The young girls act like men. These young boys acting like featherless hens. I see the world's just about to end. I document it with a stylus pen. I see these fucked up trends. I'm spitting flaming gems. Handle emotions, the devil's chosen. Got the earth like a bull by the scrotum. It's only getting worse. Of course he's mad. Check the eyes, you were warned. It's all fun and games till you get the horns. Another hell is born as you ride the storm. Children of the corn, lust for blood and porn. She's only 15 and started fucking. Built her ass in the gym. Bitch, go back to school and learn something. I gotta waste you the job. He worked for 2 days. He couldn't cut it. He said fuck it, back to waste ways. Bitch, keep building to an early grade. Don't be a slave to this lifestyle and learn how to act your age. Stupid fucking kids.
Talking to an OG and he was telling me about how his generation is far greater than our generation. And it was a civil conversation that we was having, but he was telling me that his generation that he grew up in had way better morals and they carried themselves different. And all of this may be true, but he looked at it as if his generation was innately more intelligent, smarter, more focused, and all these different things than the current generation, in that it was just God had just gave this generation bad luck and made us all ignorant or something. But I was explaining to him that if you look at farming and a farmer, when the farmer plants a seed and he waits and sees what type of crops is produced, and he uses the same seeds consistently over every season, and he uses the same seeds every year in and year out, and this year his crop is just horrible and it's not what it usually is, the last thing he's gonna blame is the seed itself. He'll look at the weather, he'll look at the soil, he'll look at all these different climate changes. You know, if it was intense rain, the last thing he's gonna do is look at the seed and blame the seed for the bad crop.